Photos, pictures, what better way to communicate? But images are still the #1 cause of bloat on the web. They eat up network bandwidth and increase the time visitors spend waiting for pages to load. Every second lost reduces your website's overall conversion rate, customer satisfaction, and thus impacts revenues. With all kinds of devices, screen sizes, and pixel densities out in the wild, tailoring images is extremely challenging. It complicates front-end integrations and server-side architectures by an order of magnitude, or just plain kills client-side performances. That's where TwicPics comes in. TwicPics is a real-time image processing service. It offers on-demand responsive image generation combined with a smart and unobtrusive JavaScript library, all based around a no-nonsense URL-based API. With TwicPics, developers always use the biggest, most detailed version of the image, and everything is handled automatically. Your images are sized to the pixel and smartly cropped. Squared, landscape, portrait, what's important is always in the frame. TwicPics also reduces bandwidth usage using modern compression techniques while preserving visual quality. Finally, your images are delivered from a location as close to the user as possible through a worldwide CDN. No more compromise between quality and performance. Your website is now fast and beautiful in no time.